Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Yazan and this is Inara. Of course she's sleeping. So we are making Oreo popsicles. First, I will show you the ingredients needed for the Oreo popsicle. So these are the ingredients needed for the popsicle. The first and the most important are Oreo biscuits. Second, we need a cup of milk. Then we need 2 to 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. Then finally, you need a half cup of cashew nuts, which I already soaked in water 1 hour ago. So first we add 6 Oreos to the blender. So then we add the cashew nuts. So now we are going to blend the Oreos and the cashew nuts. You should take the help from adults when blending because for kids it's really dangerous. So now it's finished, yay! Let's open it. So now we will add the cup of milk. Okay, very careful. And finally we add the condensed milk. Very thick condensed milk. So blend it again so it becomes very creamy. So now it's ready, so let's open it and see the mixture. So we will add this to the popsicle mold and next day it will be ready. So these are the molds. We will be pouring the mixture into these molds so it turns into a popsicle. So now we are pouring the mixture. Let's be very careful. Sure, all the molds are closed tightly, but we have to be careful. So now let's put them in the fridge. Now we have to put these popsicles overnight so it freezes. Look who's here. Inara, do you know what is inside this? No. Now let's open the mold in a proper way. First, we have to dip the molds in hot water for like 20 seconds or more. It is not hot, but it's warm. Now let's open it and see if it's not opening, so let's let's open it and see if it works. Okay, it's coming. A perfect popsicle. This is optional. You can dip some powdered cashew nuts and Oreos if you want. So let's sprinkle the powder. Tasty? Very good. We can make this recipe once in a lifetime. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye!